to my channel. My name is Ann. I'm so happy to see you today, and a special, wonderful welcome to my newest subscribers. It's so exciting to have more of you joining us on this channel. If you're not a subscriber, it's really easy to subscribe. Just look below for the little icon that if you hover over it, it says subscribe, click on it, and you're done, good to go. While you're thinking of it, if you want to give me a little thumbs up, just to let me know this is the kind of video you enjoy, I would really appreciate it. It helps make my videos move up into the recommended video section on the YouTube channel, which helps me grow. So thank you for doing that. Today, I'm going to talk about two products from Pat McGrath Labs that I recently got that I wanted to tell you about. One of them is Divine Blush, and the other one is a lipstick. I just got these, and so I have put on most of my makeup. I have eye makeup on. I even have a little bit of bronzer in the hollows of my cheeks, what there is of them. And so all that's left to do is finish with the blush and the lipstick, and I wanted to wait to do that with you so that we can try it out together. Okay, let me get this open. Okay, this is so far not going well. Oh, I see. You just push the little button in and it pops open. So look how pretty that is. I love the roses. All right, I've got my trusty blush brush, and let's see what I can do with this. It's just a little touch of color, and I like to put a little bit up here and up here in case my hair blows, so that I'm sort of covered everywhere. I like it a lot. What do you think? I think it's just enough, and I didn't have to really build on it. That's just one run over on my cheeks. So I'm really liking it. I would definitely recommend this. I don't know how long it's going to last on my face, but it's afternoon now, and I just needed to go through dinner all the way up till bedtime. So hopefully this is a keeper. I'm saying right now, it's definitely a keeper. Okay, now moving on to the lipstick, or as my British or Australian friends like to say, lippy. So anyway, the color of this one is, did I say this already? Let me find it. Number 411. It says Profumo. Let's see if I can get that visible on the screen so you can see it. Okay, I'm getting it, and I think that should be visible. Number 411, and looks like Profumo, P-R-O-F-U-M-O. I will put it in my comments below the video. Okay, now I have to confess, I got this a couple days ago, and I was so excited about it, I had to try it out that night. But I'm trying it again for you so that you can see what a nice color it is. So look how pretty that pink is. And when you put it on, it's not like hot pink or anything. It's actually a nice pink, I think. Okay, so here we go. Okay, what do you think? I like it a lot. So for me, it's a keeper. I will put the information down below in my comments. And they are not sponsoring the video. All of these comments are my own. I bought it on my own, out of my own bank account. And so this is my unbiased review. And even though the products, Pat McGrath products, tend to be a little on the pricey side, I do find that they are very good quality. So I am glad I made the purchase, and if you go ahead and make the purchase too, I hope you enjoy it as much. So that's all I've got to show you today. I thank you so much for dropping by. And again, if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and you'll help my video presence grow on YouTube. And I will see you again in the next video. Bye for now.